Even better than I was the last time, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh.
We back.
I'm good. Ooh, yeah. I'm good.
What's up, YouTube? It's Maya back in another video, and today I'm going to be doing a lip gloss DIY. I have my own lip gloss business, so I'll be showing you guys how I make my lip gloss and pretty much how I run my business. So stay tuned. My tripod is not working, y'all. It's kind of broken, so I'm just going to record everything in my hand like this, pretty much, because my tripod is broken. So these are my lip gloss stuff. This is the baggies. This is the thing that I mix it with. But right now I'm using the spoon because it's smaller and better. These are the bowls that I mix in. These are the teas. Took a cup out, so I can't sit my camera up because, like I said, my tripod is broken, so I'm having to hold the tripod around the part that moves. My syringes just came in, so now I can fill them up. I had to wait. I've been made this, but I had to wait till my shipment came in of my syringes so I can make some more, because I've been using syringes like this and I don't be seeing them in stores. But my last syringe was way bigger than this, but it's fine. It'll work. It'll do the job. So yes, I'm gonna get that ready and I'll be right back. So this was already made, so I'm gonna have to do another video. Well, not another video, another recording of me making some more stuff. But this is glitter gloss. I mixed 3 different types of glitter to get this color, actually. Here's the rest of my stuff in this little container. I have the oils that I put in here. These are pigments. These are pigments that I'm gonna be making. And these are glitter. These are my glitters. Oops. These are my glitters. So yeah, but I'm gonna finish putting these in the tube. Then I'm gonna show y'all a video on how to make them. Okay, so I just took the tripod off because it's broken. I tried to put tape around it, but it's still not working. So just forget it. But basically, I'm gonna do this with the syringe and the pipette. Put it to where you also know a lot of people got YouTube videos on how to make lip gloss, but I'm using a different thing. I'm mixing three different type of glitters together to make this color. Now I'm going to put it in this tube, and we're gonna put it in the lip gloss tube. So, oops. So y'all stay tuned for that. Oops, I gotta put it on gloves. So first I gotta put some tape around it. So basically, you want to wrap some tape around it. You're gonna need something to make sure that holds. You do it really tight. And you wrap the tape around it. So you might want to wrap some more tape to be on the safe side. To be on the safe side. Safe side, safe side, safe side. Boom, bang, bang. Bada bang, bada boom. I'm gonna wrap some more tape. Make sure it's secure. Put on some gloves. Like this. I don't know if y'all can see me, but if y'all can't, I'm sorry. Well, not at least see what I'm doing, not see me, but you know. So, and get that together. And we're going to fill this up with this. Pretty much, well, let me mix it and get it all together. Basically, I'm trying to be careful. It's not like a mess. Okay, y'all. Okay, I did have a bigger syringe than this, but I ordered the wrong one, so it's kind of small and it's taking more time. Good. There we go. So you guys, here's that. Let's put it in the lights. Well, you can't really see it that much in the light. But here it is. That's the first fill too. And when I come back to this video, we'll be making another one. We probably won't, because I'm sorry y'all that I already had mixed this before I started recording. So basically, you're gonna use your Versagel. I'm gonna show y'all everything I use because I don't wanna make this video too long for my first video about my lip gloss. But you're gonna need some Versagel, glitter or pigment, and you're gonna need your oils. But I'll make a better video the next time. But for right now, this is the video that I'm gonna have, and it's basically the ending touches. So if you do want to buy my glosses, they're going to be $3. You can DM me to order. And my business will be in my bio below. With it is off when I was doing a perfect job without getting no gloss on the tube. So now I'm gonna clean it off. But if you guys do want to order this gloss, can DM me and I will ship it for free for my first 10 orders. Thank you so much. So yeah, to this end of the video, I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more business videos, more DIY videos, more lip gloss videos. Thank you so much.